Okay, Google. It's one lane! It's one lane! It's one lane!
Zdjęcia 엄청 달려오더라.
Nie potrafią się zachować, to też jest takie ciężkie do wychwycenia. Zawsze pan też może nagrać na przykład takiego delikwenta.
Underbuilt nature of housing in the U.S.
Well, okay, so Pulte is your choice there. Right now, we're looking at a market overall that is highly dependent and somewhat tentative because we've got that Fed meeting announcement on Wednesday. The meeting begins tomorrow. The announcement on what they decide to do with rates is on Wednesday. They're expected, fully priced in, to raise by at least 3/4 of a basis point, of a percent.
Okay, this truck has come down Town Hill flying, didn't stop at the top. His brakes are smoking to shit. This truck's about to cause some shit here. His brakes are failing, they're overheated. Going left and right because he didn't stop at the top. Here we go. Here we go. Bang. 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 Saw it coming. I saw it coming. Saw it coming. He didn't stop and this is what happened.
Wow, that sounds nice. What is going on here? What are you doing? What?
running eastbound on Sherman. Running eastbound. Going southbound on Dolby.
You turning? Okay. Oh, in the neighborhood? Oh shit! Oh, Yui! Oh! Oh shit!
Take off.
These 8 viewers are having the time of their lives right now. Holy shit! That drift! Oh shit! In the neighborhood! Oh, don't kill kid, DJ!
What are you doing? In the neighborhood. What are you doing?
Holy shit! Yo, chill! DJ! Holy shit, DJ! DJ, you cannot.